Next up is a question from Richard in Walla Walla, Washington. I enjoy saying that. All right, Richard says, I'm experiencing premature band cuts close to the pouch. Any advice would be appreciated. Thank you. All right, Richard. So you might be a little bit new to slingshots, and you're thinking, why are they failing there? Well, it's by design. So if we think about it, in a band, a slingshot band is the consumable. It gets used up throughout the life of the product. That band can only have so many functional shots go through it before it actually physically fails. Now, if we think about bands and what they do, they project things in the direction opposite of where they were pulled. So if the band were to break at the fork attachment, it's going to be coming back at you. That's not good. So all bands that SimpleShot sells, and most bands that you'll find used by slingshot enthusiasts worldwide, use a tapered band. Now this tapered band gives you two benefits. One, it gives you a slightly better performance. You get a little bit more speed with a little less draw. It's a bit of a tune to it. But more importantly, you're having the end break where it's going to go away from you, your face, so you don't get slapped in the face. So if you're experiencing your bands getting splits at the pouch end, that is completely normal. That is exactly what you want. Any responsible slingshot shooter should be checking their equipment regularly. So make it a part of your shot rhythm, your shot cycle. When you load up the pouch, just take a look there. If you see a fray starting to happen, know that that band has only got a few more shots in it. Just go ahead and retire it. It's not worth breaking it during one of your shots. So what you're experiencing there is very normal. It's actually designed that way, and you are getting the exact outcome that the product was designed to do with the best safety and performance in mind. So one more thing that you might want to consider is that fork kits, if you're experiencing fork kits, can damage your bands. The damage from fork kits is generally farther forward from the pouch, but it can happen at the pouch. Likewise, if you've got damage on the tips of your slingshots, that can cause failure more towards the pouch side of the band. So you got a couple of variables going on there, but do know that you should see most of the wear at the attachment to the pouch by design. So thanks for that question.